Hi guys, so this is Jody cooking, and today I'll be making you guys some oven jerk barbecue wings. These are all the ingredients that I will be using. I will be using thyme, jerk seasoning, this is the bottle one, black pepper, garlic seasoning, jerk seasoning again, but that's the powder one, soy sauce, everyday seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and onion barbecue. And these are all the vegetable: spring onions and garlic. And I'll be using this also, a chicken stock cube. So hi guys, so this is the wing. It's here. I already washed it, so I'm just gonna season it now. So I'm just gonna put 1 spoonful of jerk seasoning and 1 spoonful of all-purpose seasoning and 1 spoonful of the everyday seasoning and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoonful of garlic powder. So hi guys, I did not mention the chicken seasoning, so I'm just gonna put 1 spoonful of chicken seasoning and the jerk seasoning. This is the one that's in the bottle. This one is very hot, so please don't put a lot unless you like it really spicy. And this is the soy sauce, just to give it color. This is the chicken stock cube. So hi guys, I'm just gonna put some pimento seed, around a spoonful, and oil, vegetable oil, because I don't want it to be dried. And I'm just gonna add all my vegetable. So I'm just gonna take my hand and just rub it all in. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna add my onion barbecue sauce to it and just take my hands and just rub it. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for on 150 degrees. So this is it guys, it's all finished, all seasoned up. So I'm just gonna put it in the oven. For a better result, you can put yours in the fridge for at least 5 hours, but today I won't be doing that. So I'm just gonna put it in the oven on 150 degrees. Alright guys, so this is how it look. It's been in the oven for at least 40 minutes, so I'm just gonna turn them. But ain't these look so nice? I'm telling you, they look so delicious. So I'm just gonna quickly turn them. I'm just gonna leave them in the oven for at least another 35 minutes or so. So this is how it look guys after I turn them. So I'm just gonna take the gravy and just sprinkle it all over it. Hi guys, so this is how my jerk barbecue look. It's all finished. I believe it's been cooking for at least 1.5 hours, but this is how it looks. I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it look on a plate. Hi guys, so this is the final result of the jerk barbecue wings. This is how it look. I'm having fried dumpling with mine. You guys can have salad, bread, whatever you have, you can just eat it with it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.